Back to square one, unpacking the phrase. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even in business meetings. Back to square one. What does it mean, and where does it come from? If you've ever found yourself puzzled by this expression, worry not. By the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. The phrase, back to square one, is a colloquial way to express that someone has to start over because their previous attempt to do something failed. It's like resetting a video game to the beginning after making a mistake. You're starting the process all over again, from the very beginning. Imagine you're drawing a plan for a house, and after a while, you realize the measurements are all wrong. You might say, well, I guess it's back to square one, which means you have to scrap what you've done and start the drawing from scratch. This expression is believed to have originated from children's games, like hopscotch, where players begin at the first square. Another theory suggests it comes from the early days of radio football, soccer, broadcasts in the UK. The field was divided into numbered squares to help listeners visualize the game, and square one was where the action started. Knowing the origins of a phrase can help us understand and remember it better. It's fascinating how these expressions become a part of everyday language. Now, let's see how to use this phrase with some examples. After the business deal fell through, we were back to square one with our investment plans. I thought I had fixed the car, but it broke down again, so it's back to square one. You can see that it's used to describe a return to the starting point in various situations, whether it's a personal project, a game, or a business venture. Interestingly, you might also hear variations like, back to the drawing board, which carries a similar meaning. It's all about the context in which you use them. I hope this explanation helps clear up any confusion about what back to square one means and how you can use it. Remember, learning a language is a journey filled with exciting phrases and expressions to discover. So, don't worry if you ever feel like you're back to square one with your English learning. Every step is progress. Until next time, keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time.